Where to Point for the Dog by Jack Varnell. Mercy lacks compassion. What a novel idea. We seek things that are untouchable, and we're quickly bored if we do. It's not the promise of cheese that keeps the rats on the wheel. Like us, it's the perception of the unseen that's chasing towards a quicker end. Honest needs dance in front of eyes, laughing, and we stare with our blindness, and we stare dumb right past them. A dog, when his master points, looks at the man's finger, not at the horizon. The sun burned with indifference, but never bronzed enough. Before the mirrors got cruel, before the clock mattered, we really couldn't stay out of the face of both, now could we? Lover, we're still close enough to childhood, even with eternity winking back at us from the looking glass. Alive enough in the eyes of cemeteries, headstone shadows long, in the noon sun shining, in the evening with its luminescence. We may be mistaken for beauty, but you, it's no mistake. And on such nights and in such light, our collected sorrows reflect back in your eyes, and I am still swept away swooning, a drunken child, as I have always been with you. A dog, when his master points, smells the air for safety, licks the man's finger, and tastes the horizon.